Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie. For those who are new here and for those who are not, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial using that Mannymua Lunar Beauty Lifes drag palette. I came up with this. But before we get started, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe before you guys leave. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell just so you guys are notified whenever I post a video. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social media. I will leave everything on the screen as usual. So if you decide to recreate any of my looks, don't forget to tag me so I can see them. And yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look using the Lunar Beauty Lifes drag palette, just keep on watching. Okay, so the first color we're going to go in with is the color Sickening, and I'm going to take that on my Makeup Shack T43 brush. I'm going to use this as my transition shade. And I'm not being very neat with it, it's just kind of like getting the color on there. I am taking it pretty high up too. Okay, so the next color I'm going to go in with is the color Trade, and I'm taking that on my Morphe 330 brush. I want to say that's the brush, and I'm just going to use that to deepen up the crease. And I do go back and forth with the other brush, not adding extra product into it, and I'm just going to use those two brushes just to kind of blend those colors together just so there's no harsh lines. Okay, so the next color I'm going to go in with is the color Mug, and I'm taking this like small BH Cosmetics fluffy round brush. It's really, really small. I'm going to use that just to get into the crease even deeper. Wait, what did I just say? I'm going to make this, what? Oh my gosh, I can't talk. Okay, I'm just going to deepen up the crease is what I'm doing with this brush. Also, if you guys are hearing kids screaming in the background, I live behind a school, an elementary school, so yeah. They're all at recess going crazy. Okay, so now to cut my crease, I use the same Nars Creamy Concealer. And I'm going to take my little concealer brush and I'm just going to cut my crease. And you see my little hair kind of like popped out. Anyways, yeah, I'm just going to cut my crease. So a lot of people wanted to see like the whole process of me cutting my crease. So I just decided to put the whole thing in here. So you guys can kind of see. Sometimes my hands is in the way, but you guys kind of get the idea. It's hard for me to explain how exactly to do it, what's the easiest way for me. But yeah, I just decided to put the whole thing in here. Hopefully that helps. Once I get to the end of cutting my crease, like the little edges between the eyeshadow and the actual concealer, I take like a plain brush, and I just go ahead and pat out the product. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the color Cake Face with this flat e.l.f. brush, and I'm just going to apply that in the inner corner and kind of bringing it to the very, very top of the crease. Yeah. Once I'm done blending that color out, I'm going to take that same brush that I was using and I'm going to go in with the color Hunty. And I'm just going to apply that right after that white color, but I'm blending it up towards where the white shadow starts to get thin. And I'm just going back and forth with those two colors and kind of blending them in. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the color Trade, and then I'm just going to add it to the outer corner just to kind of create like an ombre effect towards the end. And I think that brush is called the 209 Fluff Brush from Crown Brushes. I'm not so sure. And then I'm going to go ahead and mix the colors Shady and Mug. And I'm just going to deepen up the outer crease even further. I'm kind of bringing it in almost like a liner type of thing, kind of like a smoked liner. Just kind of diffuse the colors. I did go ahead and line my eyes already. It's hard for me to show it on camera, so I just did it on a separate thing. And then I'm taking Shopware Beauty's glitter in All I Want for Christmas and the NYX glitter in Bronze and mixing those two. And then I take a small liner brush and I grab the Duo Glue, and I'm going to create a small line of glue on top of the liner, bringing it all the way, and then I'm tapping in the glitter. And then I go back and kind of create it more into the center of my eye because I thought it was brought out too far out. And then yeah, you guys kind of see what I'm doing. It's kind of hard to explain. So I just basically line my eye with the glitter first, and then I kind of go and line the crease of my eye. You'll see what I'm doing. Also, I found that using Duo Glue as opposed to like NYX glitter glue works so much better, just because you kind of have some more time to work with it and kind of tap in the glitter and kind of work with it a little bit better than the glitter glue. I just thought that this worked a little bit better for me. Okay, so when I lined my crease with the glitter, with the duo glue first, I didn't necessarily bring it straight down into the line, creating like a T. I kind of winged it out even more. So I created like another cut crease or wing liner. I'm not exactly sure how to say it, but I just didn't bring it straight down. I kind of angled it and kind of met my liner there. Okay, actually, while you guys are watching this happen, I wanted to see if you guys would be interested in like vlogs or something. I don't know. I want to add more stuff to my channel. I just don't know what it is. And my life's not that exciting, so I don't know if you guys would be interested in vlogs. I don't know. Let me know down below. Thank you. Okay, so for these lashes, I know I had put a link in my other videos, and a lot of people were telling me that it doesn't work anymore. So I searched up a new one, and I had ordered them from them as well off eBay, and it works. Same thing, same lashes. I think they were just like 20 cents more, but still it's $1.20 compared to like anything else. I will have the new link down below. I always debate putting my whole face routine because it's the same thing every single time, so I just did that off camera, you know, just making it a little easier for you guys. Okay, taking a small flat brush, I'm going to going with the color Hunty, and I'll apply that all underneath my eyes. Yeah. Now going in with the color Mug. I can't talk today, you guys. I don't know what's wrong with me. I need a nap. And it's like 12 in the afternoon. I do go and line my eyes with the Pixie liner. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is one of the best liners I've tried so far. I don't know. It's so creamy. I love it. You guys should try it out. Anyways, I do go blend it out. I kind of smoke it out with the color Shady and using like a really thin pen brush. Oh my gosh. Okay, you know what? I need a, I don't know. Anyways, I go in with the color Beat and using that as my inner corner highlight. And of course, for lip liner, I use the same lip all the time. I'm going with the lip liner from Italia in the color Brown, and then I go in with the color okay, you guys, I need a nap. I don't know what's wrong with me today. I go in with the liquid lipstick from Anastasia in the color Naked, and I just blend it out with my fingers because I'm too lazy to do anything else.
Dice on the beat.
Is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe before you guys leave. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell just so you guys are notified whenever I post a video. And don't forget to follow me on all my social media. I will have everything on the screen as usual. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I love this song. Ooh, that looks so creepy. She got me so... Oh, that's not...